You want to buy a hat that is $26.89 USD. That means American dollars. So what I did was I Googled what is the exchange rate. So it says that 1 Canadian dollar is equal to 0.74 US dollars. So then what I do is I make an equal ratio, and because I know the US price, I put that where I have my US, which is on the bottom. So that's $26.89. And then I have to figure out what goes here for the Canadian. Now I always do this when I'm working with the ratios because sometimes I don't know whether I'm supposed to multiply or divide, and this way it always works. What I do is I use my never fail method and I multiply on the diagonal and then divide by the other number. So I am going to multiply 1 times 26.89 divided by 0.74. And that gives me $36. And I'm going to round that off to 2 decimal places because we're talking about money. 34 cents. So that's my price in Canadian dollars.